Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. This video is a quick one. If you watched the yesterday video I did, the previous video I just did yesterday on Crepcoin, where we drew this chart. This particular video, I'm not going to be doing any analysis yet. I just want to show you how to buy Crepcoin. So I noticed I had a lot of people visiting my channel for the first time. So if you're coming to my channel for the first time, can I hear from you in the comment section? Just type something, all right? I want you to type, I'm coming for the first time, all right? So that I can give you a shout out. And if you're coming for the first time, there is a Telegram community where I post messages faster, all right? So I would like you to join that Telegram community immediately, all right? So that's the first thing. So in this particular video, we're not going to be doing an analysis, all right? So I'll just be showing you how to buy CREPE. I've already done that video before, but for the sake of new people coming to this channel, so we are going to be doing that video again, how to buy CREPE step by step. Now, coming for the first time, I would like you to like this video. Every time you like my video, you are telling me thank you, and you want more people to, benefit from my video. Please, I want you to like this video right now. It doesn't cost you anything to like the video. Just click on like. All right. Then secondly, I want you to type in the comment section, CREPE 50 million market cap. Okay. So if you're expecting CREPE to go to 50 million market cap, why should you type this? I've told you guys before now that crypto coin, what gives crypto coin value is the community, the people. Apart from the other utilities, where it can be useful in the society, just like WikiCat is preparing to get a card, BNB now has a card that you can use to buy anything from around the world. All right. Apart from it, the first thing that gives any crypto token value is the people. So the more you talk about CREPE in the comment section, the more YouTube will push that video to more people. Some of you found my video because somebody else commented CREPE 50x on the comment section. So if you're expecting CREPE to go to 50 million market cap, I want you to type CREPE 50 million market cap. Whether you type it or not, it's still going to get there. All right, based on analysis. Okay. So I want you to calm down and watch this video to the end on how to buy CREPE coin. If you want anybody to learn how to buy CREPE coin, your friend is asking you, you want to show them, they want to do it on their own, that's what you are going to learn in this video. So I want you to copy this video right now, post it to the person. All right, so this was it in the night. Look at it yesterday, this night, October 6th. I was awake, I was watching the chart, 3:21 a.m. So I said, I'm on my best, smiling, 40 million market cap and all of that. So if it's for 50 million market cap, it's going to touch it. So your own is to find an entry to enter. All right, so this video now will show you how to buy CREPE coin, right, with your BNB. Okay, so first thing you're going to check out for any coin you want to buy is what chain is that coin. For CREPE is on Binance chain. So you are going to see if it's the chain that a coin is in, you are going to see it right here. Do you get? You are going to see it right here. The chain that is on is Binance chain. So if I tap on it now, you're going to see it is on Binance chain. There are different chains that they have. There's Ethereum and and the rest of them. Do you understand? So what it means is that if you're going to be buying CREPE on Trust Wallet, you will need BNB. So BNB is the token for Binance chain. All right. So that's why we say the first thing you need to do is to buy BNB. And now, I don't know whether I've not been using Binance P2P. I use Bybit. So the first step is to go on Bybit and buy USDT. Then that your USDT, you will convert it to BNB. Then that your BNB, you transfer it to your Trust Wallet. These first two steps I mentioned, I've already done it. Now I have sent that BNB I bought to my Trust Wallet. So as you can see on the screen, I'm using a entirely new wallet. I've removed everything so that if you're a new person, you will do all of these things from scratch by yourself. So in my wallet, I now have my BNB. Now I bought BNB from Bybit. Okay. And I send it to my wallet. The next thing you are going to do, all right, is to go and copy the contract address of CREPE. I've already taught you guys how to copy contract address. Do you understand? So if the way I'm going to use this, I'll just go to CREPE Telegram, right? Because I'm already part of their Telegram. I'll just go to their Telegram, CREPE, all right? Just go to the Telegram and I'm going to type This is a Telegram. I'll just type CA. So just type CA in their Telegram. Okay. So do you see it? CA. I'll just copy it. All right. So, but if you go to my Telegram channel, the CA is already there. So that you don't have to bother yourself. Whichever one, if you're already in my Telegram channel, in my Telegram community, you will see the CA there. So I'll go back to my Trust wallet. All right. I'm doing this step by step. And I'll click on Manage Crypto. All right. And I'm going to click on this plus sign up here. All right. I'll click on the plus sign. So you are going to see a network. So, but CREPE is not on Ethereum network. So I have to change this Ethereum here to Binance. So to BSC. So I'll tap on it and I'm going to change it to BNB Smart Chain. So this is it. All right. And I'll select BNB Smart Chain. And the next thing, I'll click on paste. Okay. I'll click on paste. So once I click on paste, I'll click on import. All right. So this is it. Do you see CREPE right now? So CREPE is showing on my wallet. So I just have to go back. So you see, I have just BNB and CREPE. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you there are two ways you can buy this thing. All right. Okay. So the first one is I can just click on this swap. All right. I'll click on swap and I'll just, so how much do you want to buy? Do you want to buy for the whole money? The whole money there is $3. If I click on $3, okay, it's going to buy for just 2.7. Now, and this is the amount of CREPE is going to give to me. Do you understand? 2.7 and all of that. If I click on continue, so before now, I love to reduce the slippage, okay? So I put my slippage as, I think the slippage is already set. Yes, 0.1. So I put it as 0.1. All right. Then if I click on continue now, it's going to buy. So, but if it buys at this amount, one thing I'm going to notice is that I will no longer have enough BNB here. So whenever you want to buy any coin, make sure you have BNB in your wallet because you don't know when a coin is going to pump. All right. So instead of buying for the whole BNB, for the whole amount, I might just say, okay, out of this $3, let me buy for $1.5. So if it's $100 you have, you can say, okay, you buy for $95 and you leave $5. Make sure you always have BNB in your wallet so that as your coin is rising and you want to take profits, they will not tell you don't have gas fee. So BNB serves for gas fee. It's the fee you pay before any transaction, right? So I'll click on that swap again. So I might go and reduce this. Let's say 0.1, I'll put 0.2. All right, I'll put probably even 0.5. So I'm leaving it like this. So this is what I have, 1.5. So that 1.5, if I just click on continue right now, I will buy CREPE automatically. Do you understand? And this thing keeps changing. So let's say the market is going high. If the market was going high and they showed me this particular place is 63, I'll get 63,370 CREPE. Once this thing here finish, the price might change. Let's see. So do you see it was formerly 63,370, but now it's not 63,373. What is to show you is that the market cap just dropped a little. So, but the higher the market cap, the smaller the quantity you will get. You get. So, and the seconds is ticking for you right here. Look at it here. So I'm taking time to show all of these things just for the sake of the newbie. So if you're a new person, you are grabbing value from this, you love what you are seeing. If you have not liked the video, please like it. And if you are getting what I'm teaching very correctly, please let me know in the comment section. I love it when people get value and they appreciate me. Don't come to my WhatsApp and thank me when you do not thank me in comment section. Please thank me in the comment section first. All right. So this is how you can buy this. So this is the first way to buy this CREPE. Now, the second method which you use for a coin. If the coin is not on, maybe there's a coin you want to swap it, they will tell you security concerns and all of that. The way you can do it is through Discover. You go to your Discover on Trust Wallet and you go to PancakeSwap. You type PancakeSwap. Okay. This was the one we were doing in 2023. So if you saw my video on Wikicard 2023, this is what you're going to see. All right. So you go to PancakeSwap right here. If the network is slow, you used to slow down a little. So they'll tell me to connect my wallet. I just connect. Okay. So now I've connected my wallet. Make sure that this is where you determine the chain. So make sure that this thing is in Binance chain, right? That's the first thing. Then your BNB. Then the next thing you're going to select is connect your wallet, right? You connect your wallet. So one of my wallets is here. I'm going to just connect my wallet. Okay. That wallet that is already open is what is going to connect. And I'll click on connect. So my wallet has been connected. So because my wallet has been connected, the BNB I have in my wallet will automatically start showing here. So you can see it's $0.03 BNB. Once I tap here, you are going to see this thing will come out. That 25, 50, there's no 75 this time, and maximum. So I might want to buy for 50%, okay, which is just half of the money. So, and you see, be very careful. You see what it's showing me here? Is showing me cake. So this is not CREPE, right? So I'll have to tap on this cake. Okay, that CREPE contract address I have copied, I'm going to paste it right here. CREPE contract address, this should be it. So you see CREPE has come in, active. I'll select it. CREPE is going to come out. So you see, half 50% is buying me 42,681. So, and that is for $1. So, but you know, the one we did before was for $5. Was 0.015. Now, do you see why I brought this thing to PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap, you know, everything I do has a reason. PancakeSwap will give me more than the swap that is just on Trust Wallet. Do you get? So PancakeSwap gave me more. It gave me 64,000. Why the swap on Trust Wallet gave me 63? So if I had stopped at Trust Wallet, you will not know this. That's why I'm taking time to teach all of these things so that you can maximize your money. So right now, I'm going to now click on swap. So I make sure my slippage is very low. So 0.1 is okay if it's going to swap. So I'll just click on swap. If I click on swap, it's going to buy me Crepcoin. So let me just do it so that the tutorial can be complete. Right? So click on swap. So the reason I did not do that first one is because I wanted to get more. I will get more from PancakeSwap than just doing it the other way. All right. So you see the total cost is $1.5. I'm going to pay a service charge of 0.02, you know, which is the BNB gas fee. Remember, I told you guys. All right. So, and that is it. CREPE has been added to my wallet. So I've bought my CREPE right now. So if I go back to my wallet, now, go back. So you are going to tap on it. So I bought 64,000 this thing. So what I wanted you guys to see is to show you that buying from PancakeSwap is cheaper than buying from this swap here. Okay, so for those that say I take time to teach, if you are learning it now, imagine that over 1,000 CREPE was deducted from this swap right here. But when I went to PancakeSwap, they gave me more. All right. So I believe you got value from this video. All right, guys. So I believe you got value from the video. And right now you can buy CREPE coin on your own without needing anybody's help. Right. So make sure you send that video to somebody, all right, that wants to learn how to buy CREPE coin. And I told you guys we're going to be reviewing some of the coin that Prophet Jewel has called. So you look at this one, he called it when it was 40,000 market cap. Is now at over one. This particular coin right now, the due is over 1 million market cap. Right, let me check it on my phone. The due, I've been following it up. It's over 1 million market cap. Let me call exactly what it is at right now. it is now at 1.4 million market cap as of the time I'm doing this video. So one thing I'll tell you guys is every coin that goes up will come down. Maybe this 1 million market cap might later come down to 1.4 million, might later come down to 1 million. And that would be a good place for you to buy. So once you hear any coin being called out, probably in Prophet US community or by anybody you follow, what you should look out for is to find an entry. Okay, because if you hear about a coin, people had it before you. So if you just enter immediately, those people that had it before you might take advantage of you coming in to sell. Do you understand? So, but if you find any project, you check. I've taught you guys in this channel several things on how to check all of this coin. You check and check and check. If it's okay, you buy. All right. So remember, nothing in this channel is a financial advice. If you make profit, it's your profit. If you lose profit, if you lose money, it is your loss. Right? Always make sure you do your own research. Nothing here is a financial advice. Okay, please always make sure you do your own research. In my next video, we are going to be going back to CREPE analysis to see where we are going for this week. So I'm so happy. I'm very happy that many of you are in profit. If you followed me when I did analysis right here, I told you guys to buy. You are in profit now on CREPE. All right? And if you want to send me something, ask me for my CA. My BNB is there. My CREPE address is there. Any coin you want to send me as a token of appreciation, right? I'm open to receiving from you. So watch out for the next video. We keep on watching. If you want to ask me what is going to happen on this CREPE, if you look at here, the 4 hours chart, you still see a green. So right here, a sale has already happened here that people bought back. So what does that mean for you? We are going higher. So if you want to check now, if I'm to draw another line, for those who have showed how to draw line, let's say we reduce this to like 1 hour. If I'm to draw another line right now, where am I going to draw my line? I'll draw my up line here, and I'll draw my lower line here. Do you understand? So we'll be looking at that fully in the next video that will probably play today in the evening. All right, so that you position yourself very well. But as it stands, CREPE is likely going to still go higher. Cross even this 600. We don't know when it's going to happen, but that 50 million market cap, I'm very sure it will get to that place. All right. See you in my next video. Send this video to somebody. If you have not liked, please like and comment in the comment section. CREPE 50 million market cap. Drop it in the comment section. All right. CREPE 50 million market cap, or just type CREPE there. The more you type, the more YouTube pushes this video to somebody that needs to see it. Okay. See you in my next video. Join the Telegram community if you have not yet joined.